My fork.
You have it?
I have it.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes. Ready?
Okay.
Ready. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. The chicken rooster didn't help us to go inside. But he didn't tell the story of the cheese.
Of the what?
On the cheese.
On the cheese, okay.
Okay, now we are gonna do a new book, which from there. This book is we're gonna
All right.
do. We're gonna do this book. Okay. This has a lot of pages. Okay. Butterfly monkeys going to butterfly gloves, picks, mix, lips. All those kind of stuff with gloves and butterflies and moons. All those kind of stuff is a monkey. Maybe he is gonna cry or something.
Maybe he's gonna cry or something?
No, I'm not gonna cry, but I'm just telling he might cry. Now we're gonna be some animals. We'll put our forks. We're gonna put our forks down for a minute.
Okay.
And our books.
I'm gonna be the chicken rooster.
Yes.
What does the chicken rooster say?